Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. Which one of the following palindromic base sequences in DNA can be easily cut at the middle by some particular restriction enzyme? So option 1 is CGTT-CG, ATGGTA, and option 2 is GAT-ATG and CTA-CTA. Option 3 is GAA-TTC and CTT-AAG, and the last option is CACG-TA and CTCA-GT. So इस क्वेश्चन में हमें बताना है कि इनमें से कौन सा पैलिंड्रोमिक बेस सीक्वेंस है जो कि हमारा इजीली कट हो सकता है in the middle by some particular restriction enzyme. So key concept for this question is restriction एंजाइम. तो पहले हम समझते हैं कि रेस्ट्रिक्शन एंजाइम होते क्या है. सो देयर आर सम एंजाइम्स जिनको बोला जाता है एंडोन्यूक्लियस which have the capability of cutting or cleaving DNA at particular sites, जिनको बोला जाता है recognition sites. तो ये restriction enzyme हम extract करते हैं from various bacteria. So restriction enzymes हमारे recognize करते हैं specific sequence of nucleotides. So जो हमारे palindromic sequences होते हैं they read same backwards and even forwards. So recognition sequence in DNA differ करते हैं for each restriction enzyme, जिसकी वजह से हमारे produced होते हैं different length sequence and strand orientation. So अगर हम कट करते हैं DNA with ECO R1, then जो हमारा DNA कट होगा in the middle, उसमें हर पीस का साइज होगा 15 kb long, and जो इसमें पैलिंड्रोमिक सीक्वेंस जो इजीली कट हो सकता है that is 5' GAA TTC 3' and 3' CTT AAG 5'. So this is the sequence that can be easily cut at about the middle by ECO R1. So the palindromic base sequence in DNA that can be easily cut at about the middle by some particular restriction enzyme is GAA TTC CTT AAG. So C is the correct answer. I hope you understood the question well. Best of luck.